Yo, what is going on YouTube? Technically T bringing you guys another video today, and you already see what the title was talking about. We gotta do a quick revisited video, man, because a lot of people are really forgetting about this device. Boom, there it is, Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Yes, I do still have mine. Yes, it's not going nowhere, and yes, I do still use it almost on a day-to-day basis. So the reason for doing this revisited video is because I feel that this device is really getting pushed to the back burner. Now, we all know that the S9 series didn't really sell that well. Now, I'm not sure about numbers and everything, but rumors and all the, the news articles say that the S9 Plus and the S9 did not sell well. But in my opinion, this bad boy is one of the best devices of 2018 because it's a complete package. I mean, I know I said that the Note 9 is a complete package, but if you're a die-hard Note 9 user, and you don't really care about the S Pen and say this device is a little bit too big for you. Everybody doesn't like the super big screen. I mean, hey, hands, I get it. Everybody can't really hold the Note 9 comfortable, but that's where the S9 Plus comes in, and where this bad boy will fit a great crowd of people. Now, this has getting pushed below the back burner. I mean, we know iPhones came out. I mean, we got the new iPhone, 10s, 10s Max. You got the 10R pre-order starting this weekend. And then you got the Note 9, you got the Pixels. So now is the time. Now is the time of the year where everybody is finally making their decision. If you're an open phone user, if you're not an iOS person, if you're not an Android person, and you're just neutral in the game, now is the time where you're finally making your decision about what device that you're gonna rock with. If you're not a techie like us who's always getting new phones, but now is the time that you're gonna figure out what phone am I gonna rock for a while now. You know what I mean? And I feel like the S9 Plus has been forgotten about because it comes out so early in the year. When these drop, not a lot of people are on that smartphone wave, man. But when it comes to October, November, hey, the smartphones are kicking out, they're pumping out. We got OnePlus on the way, the LG V40 is out there, the iPhone XR, Google Pixel 3, 3 XL. All these devices are out there, man. But here sits the S9 Plus kind of out by itself, which I really don't know because things you're getting with this bad boy, you're getting that beautiful Super AMOLED display. Best display on the market. I always say that and will keep saying it until somebody comes out with something better. You get those stereo speakers. You get the excellent build quality. I mean, you really can't beat the build quality when it comes to the S9 Plus. You still get a 3.5mm headphone adapter. We gotta say that now because people are getting rid of them. You still get a 3.5mm headphone adapter. You don't get any notch. There's no notches. Samsung said we're not rocking with the notch, man, and they can still make it happen with the screen that's on this and with the small bezels that's going on right here. Get you a SD card, throw in here to expand that storage, man. You have some of the best cameras, arguably some of the best cameras on the market when it comes to a smartphone. I know that's subjective and all of that, blah, 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 but some of the best cameras out there in the market, man. Excellent device if you're a content creator and you don't want to go out there and spend money on expensive DSLR, expensive lenses and everything like that. This bad boy can shoot 4K 60 frames per second. If you don't want to do that, this bad boy will shoot 4K 30. I mean, it shoots good 4K 30, man, and you can easily use this as a content creation phone. So I just kind of want to touch on this video, man, to really say, I'm pretty sure you can pick up an S9 Plus out here for a very good price, especially in the used market, because this is still a good buy in 2018. I hate that this device got pushed back. Yeah, and that's what happens. Phones come out earlier, new phones, all the hype surrounds the iPhone, all the hype surrounds the Note and the Pixel, and the S9 and the S series is kind of forgotten about. If you have a Note 9, if you have this Note 9 and you don't really care for the big size and you don't use that S Pen, say if you're not a big S Pen user, say you're not using that S Pen, man, then go out and get you an S9 Plus or the S9 when you got that Snapdragon 845. And I said it before, and I want to say I said it in the Note 9 review, man, that the Snapdragon 845 is the turning point when it comes to Samsungs because the lag is no more. We don't want to hear anybody talking about any kind of lag going on when it comes with Samsung devices, man, because their Samsung experience is getting lighter and lighter with each release. And this is just a great phone. Now, I personally don't use it every single day. I mean, I have my iPhone XS Max and I have the Note 9. Those two are always in my pocket. But when I'm home and one of these bad boys start to drain the battery and I need to pop it on a charger, I will pull this bad boy out and start going heavy with the Twitter, start heavy on YouTube, and I have the same experience. And sometimes I enjoy the form factor of a smaller phone because this feels super comfortable in your hand. And this size right here is a perfect size when it comes to a phone. When it comes to a smartphone, man, you don't really have to do much long reaching. Love, love, love the S9 Plus, man. So this was just a quick revisited video of the S9 Plus, just to let you guys know if you're out there and you're finally deciding what phone am I gonna use for the rest of the year, carrying on to the next year to get you to next fall or the next 2 years, however you upgrade your phone, that this bad boy is still a great option, man. Pretty good battery life. Battery life, you know, S model battery life can be a little bit suspect, but I was getting decent battery life with this. Best screen on the market, man. Stereo speakers, solid cameras, 3.5mm, no notch. What more do you want for when you're talking about in a smartphone, man? If you're not into the big screen phones, then definitely go out there and check out the S9 Plus. If you're out there, pretty sure you can get one on the used market for a very good price, man. But let me know in the comments down below, how do you feel about the S9 Plus and how you feel about it, where it's positioned right now in the market with all these new phones coming out? Do you feel like it's still a good buy in 2018? Do you have the S9 or S9 Plus out there? If you do, man, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. Still an excellent device, man. Do not let this device go. Don't put this device in the back burner, man. Super solid device of 2018. But as always, man, Technically T, let me know. Let's get some discussion started in the comment section below. Definitely hit that like button, man, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.